I've been in a wheelchair for 55 years. And we've been RV owners for 40 years.
Pat and Bruce love to travel in their RV.
We enjoy going up to lakes and rivers and beaches and seeing family. And it's a lot easier to stay in the motorhome than in a hotel.
Pat's wheelchair has made RV travel a bit more challenging.
I have difficulty with stairs. The bathrooms were very difficult to get into. And the beds were always too high in the other RVs.
Not only not convenient, it was dangerous.
But that was with their previous RVs.
The Winnebago Adventure is my dream RV. You know, meets all my needs. It's got the lift that raises me up, a bed that's wheelchair height that I can get to. It's got a cutout under the vanity sink in the bedroom. It's perfect.
Introducing Winnebago's line of accessibility enhanced RVs, the 31-foot gas-powered Adventurer AE, and the 36-foot Inspire with a 340 horsepower Cummins diesel engine. All designed to make RV travel easier, more comfortable, and more enjoyable for anyone with mobility limitations. Along with the standard conveniences and comforts of a typical RV, the accessibility enhanced models features added conveniences that are built in as the coach is being built in the factory. An aisleway wide enough for the wheelchair, even with the slide-out still in. A large roll-in shower with an assist bar and an adjustable shower head. The toilet is at wheelchair height with an assist bar. The cabin chairs, sofa, bed, sinks, refrigerator, stove, and the light and generator switches are all wheelchair accessible height. And the Braun Ability platform wheelchair lift with an 800-pound lifting capacity and key fob remote access.
Oh, it's wonderful. Yeah, you know, it's really safe, works all the time, and I can use it myself with the buttons.
Winnebago has put a lot of thought and consideration into making sure everyone has the opportunity to experience traveling exactly the way they want to.
Since we have this new RV, it's going to give us a greater opportunity to see more places.
It's my dream RV. It's wonderful. It's perfect. Probably be the last RV we ever need.
For 2021, La Mesa RV is the exclusive dealer of Winnebago's accessibility enhanced product line. Let La Mesa RV help you find the model that best fits your needs.
We really love our Winnebago Adventurer.
When you think accessibility enhanced RVs, think La Mesa RV.